Hi everybody! Today I'm going to review the Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. This product, I have been wondering how it looks like, why everybody loves it so much. I did some research and I didn't really understood if it was a foundation, if it was an illuminator, if it was a contouring, like...
What is it exactly?
Now that I have it, I just discovered that it can be used however you want. There is so many uses that you can do, but basically the idea is it looks like if you have a flawless filter, very shiny, kind of very yummy, chewy, glowy, everything at the same time, but without looking sparkly. This illuminator or filter doesn't have little pieces of sparkle. Other ones are very beautiful too, and they have, but this one it doesn't. Then it really can get to this very natural look, and you can use it like a little bit, you can use it a lot of quantity, and I'm just going to show you how I use it. Also, I need to say in this video that if you haven't bought it yet and you're wondering if to buy it or not, I will recommend to buy the small, like the traveling little size, because this is a little bit expensive, and actually I bought it in a sale, and I just think it will last for a very long time, even if you buy just the little one. If I knew that, maybe I would have just bought the little one, but I'm going to use it all because I love it. But that's just one thing to tell you, like if you are still on time and you want to try it, you don't need to buy the big one, you can buy the little one and you will have more than enough. The applicator is like that. That's something also maybe, I don't know if I love, because I don't know if it's very hygienic to put it on the face and again put it again in the top. Almost I will love more if it had kind of this kind of applicator, but is what it is, maybe for a reason that I don't know. But what I like to do, now I just clean my hands, what I like to do is just to put some in my hand. Actually, I'm going also to put a little bit here, and I'm just going to show you the effect that does. See the shine. I'm going to put quite a bit of quantity in my hand, so then you can see kind of the shine. I think you can see it well in my hand. My hand has so many veins, as you see. Well, now I'm going to put again in my hand. This is what I do, so then I don't need to put it in my face directly. And how I will use it, I just put kind of in this area. I put like this. Then you can put in the areas that you will illuminate, on top of your lip, on top of your nose, here. Well, the basic areas where you will illuminate. But for example, in a day like now that I already have my makeup on, and I just want to give a little bit of an extra glow, I will also put here under my eyes. And then I have seen from the like I think it's Nephew from Charlotte Tilbury, that is meant to melt on your face with your fingers. So of course you can use it with a brush or even with a beauty blender, but what they will recommend is that, as far as I understood, is with a beauty blender and with a brush, it will take off a little bit of the glow shine, so it's better to do it with your fingers. So that's how I'm doing it. Just going to melt it. Well, here you can see like the shine that it gives, and to me, I just love this product. It does a very natural glow look, and doesn't look like with sparkle. If you really want an illuminator that it has glitter, that's not the one that you want. Actually, I will tell you more about the Fenty Beauty one. That one, it has more like a glitter look, but this one, what it does is just kind of has like a shine look without the glitter. So also it's very subtle, very natural. So we can say that this is like a facial in a little bottle. Let me show you my look for today. I'm wearing this very fluffy dress that is very fresh. And this is my opinion and my review about this product. I just love it. I highly recommend it to you. I don't know, it's one of the makeup things, like literally one of my favorite products that I have tried. So I highly recommend it, but I think you can just buy the little one and you will have more than enough, as it's an expensive product. And if you don't know if you like it or not, you want to try it for the first time, I would highly recommend to just buy the little one to try, and then you can always buy a bigger bottle if it's what you will use. Yes, thank you so much, Charlotte Tilbury, to make this flawless filter that everybody is loving it so much. Thank you so much for watching this video until here. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe so then you can see my next videos. And I hope that you have a very wonderful day, that you have a lovely day, and send you a bunch of love. Bye.